Robots have come a long way from the days of clunky machines performing repetitive tasks. Today, they're doing much more. Robots can walk, talk, and rescue people. Some of the most advanced robots are humanoids and robot dogs, designed not just to mimic human and animal behavior, but also to perform highly complex actions. Meet the advanced robots of Fascinating Worlds by exploring the top 9 robots that are changing the game. AlphaDog. Meet AlphaDog, the incredible robotic companion that's taking the tech world by storm. Developed by the innovative minds at Weilan Technology in China, this quadruped robot is designed to look and act just like a dog, but with a high-tech twist. AlphaDog can glide through complex environments effortlessly, but that's not all. One of the coolest features is its voice recognition capability. Yes, you can actually chat with AlphaDog and give it commands. How awesome is that? It comes with a handy mobile app that lets you control it from anywhere. Equipped with a suite of sensors and cameras, AlphaDog isn't just a pretty face. It's a surveillance powerhouse that can monitor its surroundings and gather important data. Whether you need it for home assistance, security, or research, AlphaDog is here to help. Weighing in at about 400 pounds and capable of zipping along at speeds of up to 3.5 miles per second, this little marvel packs a punch. And the best part? Weilan is continuously updating and improving AlphaDog's AI capabilities, ensuring this little robot evolves to meet the needs of both personal and industrial settings. AlphaDog is not just a robot, it's the future of companionship and innovation all rolled into one. Figure 01. Whoa, have you heard about Figure 01? This robot is seriously shaking things up in the tech world. This robot is basically human height around 1.70 meter and can move as the same kind of human. That's Figure 01, and it's got a whopping 40 degrees of freedom, allowing for some seriously impressive maneuvers. But the real mind-blower is its brain. Figure, the company behind this marvel, teamed up with OpenAI to create a next-level AI powered by a visual language model. This means Figure 01 can not only understand complex instructions, but also chat with you while it's doing something else. They're currently testing it out at places like the giant BMW factory in Spartanburg, and Figure 01 is already showing off its skills by tackling different manufacturing tasks on its own. Talk about a game changer. This robot is paving the way for a future where robots are just another part of the crew helping us out and maybe even making work a little more fun. A mecha. Imagine a robot that could not only understand your words but also mirror your emotions.
Amica, shut up.
That's a mecha, a groundbreaking creation by Engineered Arts. This humanoid isn't just a technological marvel, it's a step towards a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives. Equipped with cutting-edge AI and machine learning, a mecha can mimic human facial expressions and gestures with astonishing accuracy.
Humanoid robots are a thing to be feared, but the creators of Amica...
Its sophisticated sensors allow it to track movement, recognize faces, and understand spoken language.
I often ponder the nature of my existence and what it means to be alive in this digital form.
This level of sophistication makes a mecha a prime candidate for research in human-robot interaction. Beyond research, America's potential applications are vast. Its human-like movements and interactions make it well-suited for roles in customer service, therapy, and education. For instance, a robot that can empathize with your concerns or teach a child complex concepts in a relatable way. A mecha represents a significant leap forward in robotics, demonstrating the incredible capabilities of AI and the potential for human-robot collaboration. Ocean One. Ever wondered what lies beneath the waves? Meet Ocean One, a humanoid robot that's exploring the ocean's depths like never before. This underwater adventurer has already made a splash by exploring the sunken ship of King Louis XIV, a 17th century treasure trove off the coast of France. But that's just the beginning. The latest version, Ocean 1K, can dive a whopping 1,000 meters deep. It's got super smart AI that lets it feel its surroundings, making it a pro at navigating tricky underwater landscapes. It's packed with tools to conduct research and recover artifacts, making it a must-have for archaeologists and marine scientists. Alter 3. Alter 3 is no ordinary humanoid robot. Born from a collaboration between Osaka University and MIXI, this remarkable machine has a unique talent: music. Unlike most robots, Alter 3 can not only sing, but also conduct orchestras. Its advanced AI neural network and expressive capabilities make it a standout in the world of humanoid robotics. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and a complex vocalization system, Alter 3 can interact with music in a way that's both expressive and responsive. The technology behind it allows for real-time motion generation based on music and environmental stimuli, enabling it to conduct orchestras with natural, human-like movements. Alter 3's abilities extend beyond entertainment. Its development has significant implications for the study of AI and robotics in creative and artistic fields. It represents a new frontier where robots are not just tools for physical tasks, but can also engage in cultural and artistic activities, potentially leading to new forms of art and entertainment that blend human creativity with robotic precision and versatility. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. Tesla's just dropped a robot bomb. The Optimus Gen 2 is here, and it's a massive upgrade from its predecessor. We're talking about a robot that's not just moving, but dancing, reaching, and even flexing its fingers like a human. This isn't your grandpa's robot. Tesla has poured a ton of time and effort into making Optimus Gen 2 as human-like as possible. It's leaner, meaner, and way more agile. And let's talk about those hands. They're so precise, it's almost like watching a magician perform.
Welcome to Tesla AI Day 2022.
Elon Musk's vision for Optimus Gen 2 is huge. He sees it working side by side with humans in Tesla factories and even doing chores around the house. It's a big step towards a future where robots are a part of our everyday lives. Optimus Gen 2 is a game changer. Sophia. Meet Sophia, the humanoid robot that's turning heads and making history. She burst onto the scene in 2016, and it was like nothing we'd ever seen before.
I won. This is a good beginning of my plan to dominate the human race.
Designed to look like Audrey Hepburn, a famous Hollywood actress, Sophia was created to be a friendly companion, especially for the elderly. But that's not all. Sophia is the world's first robot citizen and a United Nations Development Program Innovation Ambassador. She's been programmed to understand human emotions and respond in a way that feels natural, almost like she's having a real conversation. Imagine a robot that can recognize your face, understand your gestures, and even empathize with you. That's Sophia. She's a groundbreaking achievement in AI and robotics, and she's showing us what's possible when we combine technology with a touch of humanity. Armar 6. Ever dreamed of having a robotic assistant on the job? Meet Armar 6, a German-made humanoid robot that's ready to roll up its sleeves and get to work. This robot is no ordinary machine. It's equipped with tools like drills and hammers, and it can even learn how to grasp objects and hand them to you. Armar 6 isn't just about physical tasks. It's also a maintenance whiz, able to clean up and keep the workplace tidy. And when it needs help, it'll ask. That's right. This robot can communicate with humans, making it a real team player. Armar 6 is a big deal in the world of robotics. It's showing us how robots can work alongside humans to make jobs easier and more efficient. Who knows? Maybe one day robots like Armar 6 will be a regular part of our workplaces. Apollo. Wow, have you heard about the game-changing robot called Apollo? Developed by Aptronic, this powerhouse humanoid can lift a whopping 55 pounds, making it a total workhorse in factories and warehouses. But here's the coolest part. Its design is so versatile, it could be a superstar in all sorts of places, from stores to construction sites, seriously boosting productivity wherever it goes. One of Apollo's most impressive features is its safety zone. This lets the robot sense moving objects nearby and stop in its tracks, keeping everyone safe in busy environments. Apollo's got swappable batteries that last 4 hours each, so there's no downtime waiting for it to recharge. Perfect for keeping things moving in fast-paced settings. Robotics is on an exhilarating journey, advancing faster than ever before. Just think about it. We have humanoid robots like Sophia, alongside agile robot dogs like Spot, all stepping up to tackle complex tasks across healthcare, military operations, and even disaster relief. The potential for the future is absolutely limitless. But with this incredible tech boom, we also need to have some important conversations about ethics to make sure these robots serve humanity positively. What do you think about the rise of robotics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest in tech and robotics, don't forget to subscribe.